One of the biggest hurdle people face while creating their own e-commerce website is that because they are not a designer, they don't know how to start designing their e-commerce website, or they don't know the technicalities of these page builders and Gutenberg editor. So how about if I show you a way by which you can create your complete e-commerce website design in just 10 minutes. Let's dive in. So here we are in our WordPress backend, and right now the only thing we have added here is the WooCommerce plugin. So now we will go to Appearance and then click on Themes, and we are going to add a new one, and let's search for Cadence. And this is the Cadence theme that we are going to use. And this one is a very lightweight and versatile theme. You can create any website you want by just using this theme. So let's go ahead and install this, and let's activate this theme. And now the most important part. Here on the top we have a notification to install Cadence Starter templates. So let's install this plugin. And now you see a list of ready-made templates that you can directly use on your website to create your final web design. So no matter if you are creating a jewelry shop, maybe an outdoor shop, or maybe just selling some plants, or maybe just a coffee shop. So there are a lot of options included here, and the best part is this works for both Gutenberg as well as Elementor. So you can filter out if you want to see the templates of Gutenberg or Elementor and then import the complete template. So let's say we want to create this handmade soap store. So if we click here, you can now see how this complete website is going to look. And you can see we have these sample products and with a cool looking layout. And to add this complete design on your WordPress setup, all you have to do is just click on this full site. So once we click here, so now in the import details, you can see it's going to install two most required plugins. One is Cadence Blocks, which we have not installed till now. So this is going to install it automatically. And after this we have WooCommerce. So we have already installed that and it's active. And in the advanced settings, it's going to import the customizer settings, that is your color palette and the default fonts. And it's also going to import the content. So this is the best part. You will be able to see the design with the sample data in it. So let's scroll down, and here we can skip everything and start importing. So this is going to take a few minutes because it's going to import content and install a plugin as well. Now the import is done. We can watch our finished website. So let's open this in a new tab. So this is how our complete website looks like. And as you can see, the design is pretty professional and clean. And you can edit all this content by just using Gutenberg blocks. So this is how your product page will look like. And all this work can be done within 10 minutes. So your complete e-commerce website design is ready, and it's not even 10 minutes yet. And now all you have to do is just add your products, and then you can edit all these elements using Gutenberg blocks. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.